Go ahead, sir.
Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Una po sa lahat, ako po'y nagpapasalamat sa Panginoon Diyos for the opportunity dito po sa harapan ho ninyo. And then second po, I'd like to thank the President for inviting me to join the coalition. The President asked me kung gusto ko pang tulungan ang administrasyon. So I said yes. I'd also like to thank the Speaker of the House for inviting me to join Lakas CMD. Why Lakas CMD? Because I believe Lakas CMD, Christian, Muslim, Democrats, encompasses everybody. Hindi lang po Kristiyano, hindi lang po Muslim. And when you say Muslim, kasama na po dyan ang mga katutubo and the Democrats. So, yun po, kaya po tayo sumama sa Lakas CMD because of that belief na everybody po kasama. Why Lakas CMD? Because nakita ko po halos pareho po ang adhikain namin at ng Lakas. Nakafocus po ngayon ang Lakas sa pagtulong po sa mga kababayan natin ng mga mahihirap, poverty alleviation, yan po yung marching order ng Pangulo. And ever since naman po, nakatuon ho kami magkakapatid sa pagtulong po sa mga mahihirap at mga inapi. With that, yan lang po yung mga masasabi ko. If God wills it, tayo papalarin, we will start working on day 1 immediately. Maraming salamat po. If you have questions, you can ask now.
Gyro, Rappler.
Hi, sir. Good afternoon po. Sir, sorry, the elephant in the room po is that there are comments po that there will be political dynasty po because Sir Ben is also running po, and you're also running, and Senator Raffy po is currently at the Senate. Sir, any comments on the political dynasty?
Well, as long as there's no law yet, then we let the people decide. Di po ba? Kung may batas na ho, then we stop. Yung political dynasty, matagal na pong usapin ho yan. And I believe, hindi po titigil yan hanggang wala pong batas. Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. Kaya, ang tao ho will decide. For now, dahil wala po tayong batas, then let the people decide. Do we want 1 Tulfo, 2 Tulfos, 3 Tulfos? Do we want them? 1 Duterte, 2 Duterte, 3 Dutertes, 1 Marcos, 2 Marcos, 3 Marcos, LGUs, maraming ganyan. So, we let the people decide. Nasa kapangyarihan po ng tao. Kung gusto po nila si Raffy lang, fine. Walang problema. Gusto nila yung dalawa, fine. Gusto nila 3 tulfo sa Senado, nasa tao po yun Because we don't have a law. If there's a law, then that's it. Matitigil po yan.
Sir, just a follow-up question, sir, and last from me. Don't you think, sir, parang prone po siya abuse for some family po, na parang na-hold lang nila yung power within their families, especially in the provinces, sir?
I cannot speak for the provinces, boss, because I'm not running for the national election. Local elections in the LGU. I'm running po in the national elections. Kaya I cannot speak about abuses po sa LGU. I don't know what's going on down there sa LGU because wala pa po sa amin na tumatakbo sa local government units.
From ABS-CBN, Kat Domingo.
Hi, sir. Good morning. Sir, should you win a seat in the Senate, will you be willing to support or advocate for an anti-dynasty law?
Yes. What I mean to say is like, if there is a law, then pag-uusapan ng majority, you know that it's numbers game, di po ba? You may say yes, pero yung mga kasamahan mo, majority rules. We will look, paano yung forma ng dynasty, yung sinasabi yung dynasty law. Kung nandyan na yan, kung maganda naman para makakatulong po sa sambayanan, then I will. Why not, di ba? If it's for the benefit of the whole nation, para mapagbigyan ng lahat, then why not, di ba?
Sir, how will you convince voters that the public needs another Tulfo in the Senate?
Performance, ma'am. Performance. I will just tell them to look at my older brother. what he had done in Senate and what I have done in Congress. Tignan na lang ho nila sa performance.
Sir, we all know, last na po, there are three Tulfo's running for, there are two Tulfo's running for senator. If both of you wins, there will be three Tulfo's in the Senate. What is your unique selling proposition compared to your brothers?
Well, all of us like our pro-poor, yung plataforma lagi namin. Pero this time, we have marching orders from the administration to continue yung programs ng pamahalaan, poverty alleviation, etc. Ayun naman talaga, kahit lahat kami magkakapatid. Pero we always forget the one in the middle. Yung mga middle class, yung mga uring manggagawa. Nakakalimutan minsan or kadalasan naiiwan because nakafocus ang sentro ng gobyerno ngayon sa mga nasa laylayan. Paano yung nasa middle class? Paano yung mga professionals? Yung mga below middle class, yung mga nagtatrabaho sa mga fast food, mga sales clerk, mga gwardiya, paano sila, di ba? Because we are so focused, yung gobyerno sa mga mahihirap, siguro it's time we also look at doon sa mga kababayan natin na mga hindi masyado napapansin, yung nasa middle. Siguro yung sinisigaw nila na higher wages, yung mga more benefits, and I will also introduce if there's a chance, yung retirement siguro benefits ng mga nagtatrabaho sa private sector.
Jeffrey Hernandez, ABS-CBN.
Hi, Sir Erwin. Sir, so we might see 3 Tulfo's po sa Senate, no? There's a possibility. So, paano po ba ang aasahan namin? Ang boto po ba ng isang Tulfo ay boto ng 3? Ang stand po ba ng isang Tulfo sa Senado ay magiging stand ng 3?
Doon ho patutungo yun eh. Because iisa lang naman ho yung layunin namin. Alam niyo naman from the very start, Rafi, even before we joined politics, nakasentro po sa pagtulong sa mga mahihirap, defend doon sa mga oppressed. So doon ho yun eh. Mas maganda ho, mas maraming puwersa, ika nga.
Follow-up question lang ba? Sir, nakapag-usap po ba kayo ni Sir Ben Tulfo na napag-usapan ba na isa lang sa inyong tatakbo o napagkasunduan na takbo na lang po pareho?
Takbo niya lang pareho. This is a free country. So sabi nga namin, magkakapatid, sige, if you wanna run, then so be it. Mahirap naman ho yung pipigilan mo. Mas makakatulong nga, ika nga, you have the numbers.
From Malaya Business Insight, Gerard Nabal.
Sir, good afternoon, sir. Sir, isang question lang, sir. You're running under the administration, sir, administration coalition, sir.
Yes.
Will there be an opportunity for you to campaign with your brother?
Pag nagkita siguro kami, I believe he's running as independent, si Ben. So, why not, di ba? Alam ba naman, isnabin ko siya. When we see each other in the same sortie o sa isang lugar, of course, I mean, I'll have to help him out.
Last question, please. Anyone? Wala na po. Wala na pong tanong, sir.
Maraming
Yeah.
salamat po. Good afternoon. Again.